Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo, the word scout, reaches a wide, rushing stream that blocks his path forward. There is no bridge to cross, only a long fallen log stretching over the water. The first steps feel shaky and unsteady, making the crossing feel challenging. Timo pauses for a moment and takes a calm, steady breath. Arms stretch out gently to help keep balance and control. The idea of equilibrium slowly begins to make sense. Equilibrium means staying calm, steady, and balanced, even during challenges. Timo, the word scout, carries this lesson of equilibrium into his next adventure.
Thank you for watching Vocab Cartoons. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Click the bell button so you don't miss our next word adventure. See you in the next video. Bye!